Hey Benny, what did Grandma and Grandpa get you?
What's this? Whoa, look at it! Mega Block! Wow! Look at this!
Ooh, Mega Block.
Ooh! He's
He's so confused, he's not sure what to look at.
Wow! That's for Benny! Bless you. He likes the book. Push the button. Push the button.
Hello? Colors. Colors everywhere.
Flashing lights will get him every time.
Triangle and square.
Ta-ta. Ta-ta-da-da. Thank you.
Another one for Benny. Look at Thomas the Train. It's a train theme this year.
Oh, what is that, Benny?
Cute.
Sounds like the noise you were making last night. Benny, what is that? Are you so excited?
I guess this is for you.
Oh. Cool. Who's that from?
Allison.
I got two brand new wallets.
To Benjamin.
Oh my gosh. It's like I know you guys are trying to confuse me right now. Little Lydia.
I like that button.
It's like the easy button at Staples.
Yeah. Maddie. Maddie.
Pretty well wrapped. Yeah, my favorite.
Wow, a whole thing of socks for you.
6 pairs. I'm gonna wear one right now.